What's up guys, today we're installing Oracle Lighting flush style LED taillights for a 5th gen Toyota 4Runner from 2014 to a 2023 year model. Let's get started. Step one, we're going to remove this panel. We're going to find this notch in the back bottom corner. Alright, so we're going to locate our two nuts. One's going to be here and the other's going to be here. We're just going to go ahead and remove those. Next, we're gonna unplug this guy, and this guy. So with everything removed, now the taillight can come out. So we're just gonna pop it loose and pull it back towards our cylinder. Alright, so our next step is to remove this gasket. So we're just gonna start on one end and peel it off gently, and then reapply our foam gasket. Boom, just like so. Alright, next step is to remove this panel with those 3 screws. Alright, so using a number 2 Phillips, we're going to go ahead and remove these screws. Alright, once that's removed, pull that off, and we will swap it over. So you have these indexing tabs at the bottom and these indexing notches on the panel itself. So you line those up at the bottom first. And once those are in, everything else is pretty close, and we just need to wiggle it in place. So, and now we'll reinsert our screws. Okay. Alright, so we're going to mount our resistor on the pad. And we're just going to utilize the corner hole and 1 bolt. Alright, now that's tight. So I'm going to take this resistor with this clip, and I'm going to slide it onto this panel here. Just like so. So we're going to take our 2 plugs, run them in first. Pop the taillight in place and make sure it's fitting flush everywhere. Alright, so we're going to take our plug, plug that in, make sure it clicks, locks in place. So we'll plug our blue and black wire into the red and black wire of the resistor. And we'll put our 2 nuts back on. Alright, so our last step is to put our cover back on. And that's our install. Alright, so that's our install. For any more information on these or any other great products, visit us at oraclelights.com.